Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you guys a different method on how to fix your iPhone that is not ringing or is ringing very low. So first of all, you got to make sure your phone is not in the silent mode on the side switch right here. Make sure it's you don't see the orange sign. So when you see the orange sign, normally it shows the silent. And then after that, when you go up, it says silent mode off. Okay, and then you also want to adjust the ringing volume. So that was just ear volume that is going up and down. You need to go to your setting. Go to setting. And then you want to go to sound and habit. So make sure change with the button. It is off. And right here you can adjust the volume. And make sure it is on the highest, okay? And you can select a different tone and stuff like that. And then if that doesn't work, you want to go out to the next step. You want to go to Face ID and passcode. Then you're going to enter your code. Okay, you're going to scroll down. Make sure this attention aware features, it is off. So normally it will be on like this with the green color on the switch. I'm going to touch it and make sure it goes off. It says iPhone will check for attention before dimming the display, expanding a notification when locked it, or lowering the volume of some alerts. Okay, and if that doesn't work, you want to go ahead and then go to settings and then go to about, and make sure you had the new and latest software. I think mine was under 17.4.1. So before I did everything and changing the volume, changing the ringing tone, turn the attentive attention off. And I also did the reset iPhone. So once you click on reset, I did the reset all setting. That does not delete anything on your iPhone except maybe the wireless and network. You need to re-enter the password and stuff like that. Okay, so I did that. I reboot the phone. It was working for a little bit. Somehow I unlocked the phone and it doesn't ring or vibrate at all when I call. So the last thing I did was connect this phone to my MacBook Pro, and then I opened the iTunes, and I did it from there through the computer. And somehow, I guess that fixed the bug or anything like that. and then the phone start ringing. At first I was testing it after I update the software of the iOS. It has this attention aware feature on. So I'd come in here and then turn that off. And after that, everything works perfectly. Okay. Let me give you guys a test real quick. I'm gonna call the number. Okay. Anyway, hopefully you guys share this with your friends or family if they are having problem with their iPhone that is not ringing at all or vibrating or not ringing loud at all. Okay. And please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.